Hello, so on this video I'm going to teach you how to submit a ticket in GCash. So basically the first thing you want to do is make sure that your application is really up to date. To make sure of that, simply go to the App Store or Play Store. Let me just go back to the landing page, right? So from here now, just type in GCash on the search bar right there and simply click on the application that looks like this. If you're seeing right here on this button right here that says Update, simply click on it. If not, open your GCash right away. Now you don't need to go inside the account itself because on the home screen we can work our way with that. Simply click on this Help Center. Let me just go back. I think I clicked the pin. As you can see right there, there's Help Center, right? Simply click on that one and just choose any article that you want to choose from because we're really here to submit a ticket, right? For example, let me just click your account right there, and at the very bottom, I'm just going to choose a specific problem. Let me just look for the very bottom right there. Was this article helpful? You can just choose yes or no, but the thing we want is this one. Then you find what you're looking for, click submit a ticket. So from here now, just click on that one, fill out the information that you need to, and then click submit right there, okay? So that's how you submit a ticket in GCash. So thank you so much for watching. Please hit the like button and subscribe. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Goodbye for now.